Hi everyone, it's day 16. Today we're talking about holiday house guests. This is my favorite. I love Christmas because my kids come home. I get guests, overnight guests, and I just love all of that. So today I want to suggest that if you're hosting overnight guests during the holidays, this is a good time to make sure that you have what you need. Schedule the day on your calendar that you're going to get those rooms ready. You want to get the bathroom sparkling clean, and you may need to refresh linens and so on. Just think about it today. Get that onto your calendar and onto your plan. You'll also need to plan for extra expenses like transportation and food. What are your guests going to expect when they get there, or what have you already told them to expect? If it's a trip to Disneyland, better get ready. Now, if your guests are not staying overnight with you, offer to give them hotel recommendations and assistance with making their reservations. They need to do this well in advance, like today. I'll see you tomorrow. Debt-Proof Living with Mary Hunt was created and hosted by me, Mary Hunt. Produced by Julie Emerson with Harold Hunt, executive producer. Save time, save money every day, and make it easy on yourself. Subscribe at everydaycheapskate.com. That's where you will find all the ways you can follow Mary, Everyday Cheapskate, and Debt-Proof Living. Thanks for listening.